Hi guys, my name is Harsha. In this video, I am going to unbox the Trio Group K8 wireless lavalier microphone. So let's begin to the unboxing of K8 wireless microphone. I have purchased this product from Flipkart for Rs 500. It was delivered in a plastic covered package with the Flipkart logo and other shipping details on the outside. After opening the plastic cover, you will find the product's original box inside. The product box will have the product name, branding and images on it. As you open the sleek packaging of the Trio Group wireless lavalier microphone, you will find a compact and lightweight design. The box contains the main components neatly arranged inside foam cutouts. First, you will find the wireless receiver, which boasts a matching black finish and a compact design. It features a clear displaying important information like battery life, signal strength and channel selection. Next, you will see the wireless transmitter, which is conveniently small and easy to handle. It comes with a sturdy clip-on feature, allowing you to attach it securely to your shirt and lapel. The transmitter also houses the power button and an LED indicator for status updates. The package includes a high-quality lavalier microphone with a foam windscreen for reducing unwanted noise. The microphone connects effortlessly to the transmitter, providing clear and crisp audio. You will also find a USB charging cable, allowing you to charge the transmitter. The package includes a user manual for easy setup and operation. With its plug-and-play functionality, the Trio Group wireless lavalier microphone offers hassle-free setup and is ideal for various applications such as interviews, presentations, vlogging and content creation. Overall, the Trio Group wireless lavalier microphone impresses with its user-friendly design, excellent sound quality and wireless convenience, making it a valuable addition to any content creator or presenter's toolkit. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.